Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Chinese keyboard on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Language and Region in the right pane. Click on Add a Language. Search for Chinese. You can go to the Chinese simplified one, click on Next, and then select Install. It will need a while to install this keyboard. Once it does, it will choose this keyboard for all the options that are not available with other languages which are above it. If you want to make it the main language, click on these three dots here and select move up until it reaches the top. You should know that for Windows settings and other Windows related options and apps, the display language will be English, but you can change it for other applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.